that big gym in the PN, so it's a nice, a lot more area.
Yeah, no,
Any grip guys, you're welcome to stay to arm wrestle if you want to do more grip beats, but I understand if it's, you guys need to go.
Hey, nice meeting you. Keep up the good work. Hope to see you again.
Always a pleasure to see you, man.
Awesome to see you, buddy.
See you again.
Look at it. Dude, nobody's lifting that here today, are they? Nobody.
Not at the end of a contest.
You need to be fresh. And even then.
Hey, tell me about this sport, guys.
Hey, Storm.
So, grip sport,
Move this right arm over.
best sport, second.
So,
arm
wrestling. Your hand over here.
So basically we lift funky items, different sizes, different shapes,
I think that's
different
what you
hand
want.
grips. You got round handles,
And I want
flat
it
handles,
forward?
pinch, you got anvils, you got half dumbbells called blobs. You got these little things called studs.
Justin.
Basically it's hard to grip, we throw it in and see how much weight we can add to it.
So you do both though, right? Like
Correct.
you're arm wrestling and like, so what's the carryover?
For me, obviously, it does develop hand strength, but there's actually a negative carryover because in grip, everything you do is with your wrist extended.
Yeah.
So my strongest squeezing position is here, which
That's okay.
in arm wrestling will eventually, sometimes my tendency
But
to go
you know what? It's good for a king's move.
containment, I agree.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get into this position and you can just work on rotation with a wrist back slightly.
So do you think it's made you better or worse as an arm wrestler?
Well, I started in grip, so I think it gave me an advantage coming in, definitely for sure. More in the amateurs, less in the pros, where the pros actually know what they're doing.
Justin, you got this or what, man?
All I hope is to move it.
It's crazy. Crazy sport, man.
Did you show Storm how to edit a video?
Yeah, I would just make him dumber. Straight shot, guys. That's how we run it here.
Let's go!
Oh, that's off the ground, man.
broke it off the ground. That's more than any of us.
Mm.
And then all of a sudden we miss it when no one's even got a camera out.
Why go on again now?
Yeah!
Oh, easy day, easy day. I didn't think it was possible. It's like you just pulled a tree out of the ground.
Awesome.